Introducing the Gedore MTS 2500 mechanical torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. Engineered by Gedore, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this mechanical torque tester combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset for quality control and testing applications. With a wide torque range of 5 to 25 Newton meters, the MTS 2500 caters to various testing requirements, ensuring versatility in your quality control processes. Equipped with both 1/4 and 3/8 square drive sizes, this torque tester accommodates a wide range of fasteners and attachments, enhancing its adaptability. The peak hold function captures and retains the maximum torque value, allowing for accurate and consistent measurements. The clear and precise scale on the MTS 2500 enables effortless and accurate readings, minimizing errors during testing. Gedore's commitment to quality is evident in the robust construction of the MTS 2500. Its sturdy design ensures longevity and reliability, even in demanding industrial environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Gedore MTS 2500 mechanical torque tester. Trust in Gedore's expertise and invest in the MTS 2500 to ensure accurate and reliable torque measurements.